welcome to my channel. My name is Angie, and here you will find makeup, hair, adventures, skincare, just a little bit of everything. But today I'm doing a hair tutorial on this braid. Y'all, I have to be completely honest with y'all. This tutorial almost did not happen. I don't know what was going on. It's like all the forces were coming together for me not to do it, but I did not let them succeed. And I did my version and attempt at this style. It is purple because this is a part of my color series, which is something that I'm doing on my Instagram, curating different looks based on colors. So that's why it's purple. And I plan on probably doing another video with it, a color that's my actual hair color, which is a little bit more wearable. But I still wanted to film this one because I feel like it was really cute, and this could be good for like carnival, I'm thinking, or just if you want to add a little color. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check me out in my next video. Bye.